let's practice this A2 level dialogue together. I will be saying the text in red and you will be saying the text in blue. You know the drill. We've done this before. But first, I'm going to go through the full script with you. Then I will translate it and then we will have a go together. Right, let's have a look at the full transcript together. Here we go. Remember, I am red, you're blue. Salut! Tu veux aller faire du shopping ce week-end? J'ai besoin de quelques vêtements pour l'été. Oui, bien sûr. Moi aussi, je cherche de nouvelles chaussures. Tu préfères acheter en ligne ou aller dans les magasins? J'aime bien essayer les vêtements avant de les acheter. Donc, je préfère les magasins. Mais j'aime aussi regarder les offres en ligne avant. Bonne idée! Comme ça, on peut savoir où aller pour trouver les meilleures promotions. On se retrouve samedi? Oui. À 14h, ça te va? On pourrait même aller déjeuner ensemble. Parfait. Je connais une petite brasserie qui sert un menu délicieux. À samedi, alors. Okay, how was that? I know it's a very long dialogue. But fear not, we are going to translate it together. Now remember, this is of A2 level, slightly harder than a beginner's level. Here's the first sentence. Salut, tu veux aller faire du shopping ce week-end? J'ai besoin de quelques vêtements pour l'été. Salut is a way of saying hi or hello. So hi, do you want to go? Tu veux aller. Do you want to go shopping? Aller faire du shopping is to go shopping ce week-end. J'ai besoin de comes from avoir besoin. To need. J'ai besoin, I need some clothes for the summer. De quelques vêtements pour l'été. To this you say, oui, bien sûr, of course, yes, of course. Moi aussi, me too. Je cherche de nouvelles chaussures. So chercher is I'm looking for, okay? I'm looking for new shoes. Nouvelles chaussures. Have a look at nouvelle. This is an adjective. It is in its plural feminine version form because chaussure is, you've got it, plural and feminine. So we need to adapt the gender and number of this adjective according to the gender and number of the noun. Tu préfères acheter en ligne? Would you rather buy online or aller dans les magasins or go in shops, into the shops? What would you prefer? En ligne ou au magasin? For example, to this I say, j'aime bien essayer les vêtements avant de les acheter. Okay, so I do like to try. Essayer means to try. Les vêtements, we know it's clothes, ou les habits, we could say also. Avant, before, buying them. Can you see them? Can you spot it in that French sentence? Indeed, it is les. Les refers to les vêtements, okay? So as a direct object pronoun, and I invite you to look at my videos in order to understand where to place those pronouns. So, j'aime essayer, j'aime bien essayer les vêtements avant de les acheter. Donc, je préfère les magasins. Therefore, I prefer the shops. Mais j'aime aussi, but I also like. Let's have a look at where aussi is placed. J'aime aussi, I like also, I like to. Regarder les offres en ligne avant. But I also like to look at online offers before. Donc, les offres en ligne, offers online. To this you say, bonne idée. Good idea. To see how bonne is written, here again it has all to do with the fact that idée is feminine. Therefore, the adjective bon is into the feminine form bonne. Okay? Comme ça, On peut savoir où aller pour trouver les meilleures promotions. So this way we can see or we know, okay, we know where to go to find the best deals, okay. On peut savoir où aller pour trouver, in order to find, les meilleures promotions, okay, the best deal. Again, here the superlative meilleur is into its feminine and plural form because the word promotion is feminine plural here, okay. On se retrouve samedi, so that's a question. Shall we meet on Saturday? We meet on Saturday, and se retrouver means to meet each other. Okay, shall we do that on Saturday? To this I say yes. À 14h. So we at 14h, it's 2 p.m. Remember that a lot of the time French speakers will refer to the clock as the 24-hour clock. So 14h meaning 2 p.m. So 14h in the afternoon, 2 p.m. Ça te va? Does it suit you? Is that okay? On pourrait même aller déjeuner ensemble. We could even also, or we could even have lunch together ensemble, okay? So on pourrait, we could. Now here, pourrait is the conditional of the verb pouvoir. And of course, in French, we do not have such a thing as a modal verb. The could and the would and the will does not exist. So we need to transform that the way we can with the verb, in that case, pouvoir, to be able to, in its conditional form. Maybe we could even have lunch together. Parfait. Je connais une petite brasserie qui sert un menu délicieux. So perfect. I know a little brasserie. So connaître, okay, it's to know as well as savoir. We've got two ways of saying to know. So it's either connaître ou savoir. And connaître, it's about connaître, to know something. And savoir, more of the time, is to know how to do something. So, je sais nager, I know how to swim, for example. But in that case, I know a little brasserie, which serves a delicious menu. Now have a look at délicieux here. Délicieux again is an adjective, and in this case it is masculine. And why is it masculine? Because we are talking about un menu, which is masculine. Here, not plural, just masculine, singular. Un menu délicieux. À samedi alors? See you on Saturday. When you want to say see you on, you would say with at Saturday. At Saturday. You want to say see you on Monday, you would say à lundi. For example, you want to say next week, you would say à la semaine prochaine, for example. Okay? So now we've translated the full text. How do you feel about it? Are you ready to properly talk with me one more time? Shall we? I'm going to leave you some space when it is your go to speak, and take your time and read out loud. Remember, read out loud. That's the whole purpose of this exercise. Here we go. Je commence. Remember, I'm red and you are blue. Here we go. Salut! Tu veux aller faire du shopping ce week-end? J'ai besoin de quelques vêtements pour l'été. J'aime bien essayer les vêtements avant de les acheter. Donc, je préfère les magasins. Mais j'aime aussi regarder les offres en ligne avant. Oui, à 14h, ça te va? On pourrait même aller déjeuner ensemble. Bravo! Well, that's it. How did you find it? Now remember all these adjectives that we need to agree in gender and number with the noun we are referring to. Remember that there is a support guide attached to it if you click in the join button below. And for an easier speak French with me, click here And for a slightly more difficult one, click here. That's it from me. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous.